Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to use FootLocker employee discount online to save you on your purchases. Let's get started. Step 1 is to make sure you're eligible. You must be a current FootLocker employee. You must have worked at least 30 days to be eligible for the discount. Your employer should provide you the unique employee discount code. If you don't have one, ask your manager or HR. Step 2 is to add products to your cart. Visit FootLocker's website and go to footlocker.com and sign into your account. Browse and select items. Choose the products you want to purchase. Add to cart. Click Add to cart to proceed to checkout. Step 3 is to apply your employee discount. Proceed to checkout. Click Checkout once you're ready to buy and enter your information. Fill in your shipping and payments details. Apply the employee discount. Look for the promo code or discount code field and enter your employee discount provided by the FootLocker. Click Apply to see the discount reflected in your total. Step 4. Complete your purchase. Double check that your discount is applied. Choose the preferred payment method and click Place Order to finalize your purchase. After that, if your code isn't working, ensure you've worked at a FootLocker at least 30 days and that discount is still valid. And that's how you can use FootLocker employee discount online to save you for purchases. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.